Hello again, everybody, to Germanize Me, the channel to learn German from scratch. Please say hello to my student Candice. Hello,
Hello.
Candice. So today, I hope you are mentally prepared to learn a lot of grammar today. So
Yes.
you can see what it's all about in the template. We will learn about the personal pronouns. This is most important, and the verb to be mainly, because it's the most irregular verb in all languages, and we just have to learn it by heart. Later on, we have verbs that are quite regular, but this one is the learning part. Okay. Let me read the personal pronouns for you, and I put them in the order like first person singular to third person plural. Yeah? So here we have ich, du.
Ich.
Yeah, let me read them first.
Okay.
You can repeat afterwards. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Okay, try.
Ich, du, ihr, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie.
Very good. So I don't have to correct anything. I think you have a good feel for the language. And yeah, for the third person singular, of course, we have he, she, and it. Yeah? Masculine, feminine, neuter. I just put it after them. Okay. And to these pronouns, we can add the verb to be to express how somebody or something is. Yeah? Okay. So this is the conjugation of the verb to be in the present tense with all the pronouns. Bin, bist, ist, sind, seid, sind. Try.
Bin, bist, ist, sind, seid, sind.
Very good. Yeah. So now we can, of course, combine those like ich bin, du bist. Can you read the lines together, please?
Yes, sure. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind.
Okay. This is actually just the learning part. So this is your task for our next live stream to learn the verb to be, the conjugation, and the personal pronouns. And now to express how something or somebody is, we need some adjectives. And I put some very regular adjectives here, and they are pairs, kind of gut und schlecht. Can you guess what it means?
Sorry?
Can you guess what it means? Gut
Good,
und schlecht?
good means good,
Uh-huh.
and schlecht, I'm not too sure.
Yeah, so I put them in pairs, so it's the opposite, bad, yeah?
Okay.
And here we have alt, which means old. And what can that mean?
Alt
Mm-hmm.
and new.
Mm-hmm. This is pronounced neu.
Knowing.
Mm-hmm. And it means new. Yeah, you see how similar it is to English from even the writing. Okay, then we have something that is not similar. Klein und groß.
Klein
Klein,
und groß.
yeah, klein means small or little. Und groß
Is
means
big.
big or tall. Yeah? Okay, fine. And this that looks a bit like a B is the sharp S. It's an extra consonant we have. It has the function of a double S, but with a long vowel in front. So it's not gross, it is groß. Yeah?
Gross.
Whenever you see this sharp S, the vowel in front of it is spoken a bit longer. Yeah? Okay. And then we have again alt, like here, alt und neu. And here we have alt und jung. What can that mean?
Alt und jung.
Mm-hmm. Guess the meaning?
Not too sure.
Yeah, it's actually very similar. It means young. So this is another pair, old and new,
Sorry, could you
but of
repeat what does it mean?
young.
I can't hear you, sorry.
I hear you're a fan. Maybe this is the issue. Jung means young.
Okay.
Yeah, old and young.
Young.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, alt und jung. Just to repeat, read the adjectives again.
Yes. Gut, schlecht, alt, new, klein, groß, alt, jung.
Mm-hmm. So two hints here. This is pronounced neu, like let's say the oi in oink oink oink. So
Yes.
oi neu. This is an other diphthong, that means two vowels together that have a certain pronunciation. We will learn about that in the next lesson. Pronunciation of those diphthongs and the vowels. As for the rest, it's very similar with English. The consonants are very similar, but the vowels are different. So, but you do a good job repeating it and pronouncing it very well.
Thank you.
Okay, now we can combine, like somebody is one of those adjectives, and you try to find a combination. Whatever personal pronoun you use, you find the adequate conjugation of the verb to be, and then you just add an adjective.
Okay. Ich bin gut.
Well, I suppose you would say that, but that is actually exactly what we wouldn't say. It in German that doesn't mean I feel good. It means I am a good person, which is true, but we wouldn't say that. Yeah? But grammatically correct. Okay. Can you find another example?
Yeah. Es ist groß.
Mm-hmm. S is it, so that would be any item that you want to describe. You can say it is big. Okay, fine. Now yeah, you have a question?
Do I give one more example?
Yeah, if you like, sure.
Okay, sure. Ist jung.
Okay, I hope your future husband will be young. So, okay. Er ist jung, sehr gut. Und for the plural, it works the same way. Can you give one last example with the plural?
Um, the same way.
Yeah, it works the same way.
Uh, what does side mean?
Yeah, it's just the conjugation of the verb to be.
Okay.
You all are. Yeah.
Um, i-
Yeah, you
and what does
just
schlecht mean?
bad, good
Okay.
and bad, old and new, little and big, old and young.
Uh, er ist schlecht.
Yeah, but I asked for the plural.
For the
Plural, more than one person. So the last three forms.
ihr seid schlecht.
Okay. So this is about the bad boys, yeah? Exactly. Okay. And now one other chapter that is very important. Maybe you have heard about it, that we have three articles in German. In English, you find only the, or sometimes the from the pronunciation, but in German, we actually have three of them: masculine, feminine, and neuter. And I chose some words that make it completely clear. Masculine, der Mann is always masculine. Die Frau, the woman, always feminine. And das Kind, the child, which we don't know what it is, boy or girl, so it's neuter gender. That is kind of a concept when it comes to people. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so here is some small thing to add. We capitalize all nouns. So in German, it's very easy to find the nouns in a sentence. They all have a capital letter. Okay. Now you can do the same combination. Instead of the personal pronouns, you can use normal nouns. Yeah?
Okay.
Try.
Uh, das, das Kind uh, a- alt.
Yeah, but we need the verb, of course, as well.
Oh yes.
Yeah, the child is old. Usually a child is not old, but okay, doesn't matter for the grammar.
Okay. Der Mann ist gut.
Okay. Actually, please don't use this example because we wouldn't say it. Der Mann ist jung, alt, klein, groß, but good. Yeah, it's just we don't use it that way.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that is basically what we learned today. And you should practice a bit and learn by heart the
Yes.
conjugation and the pronouns. The adjectives are exchangeable with any adjectives that you could find. And here they have the function kind of an adverb, how something is. They don't have the function of an adjective because we don't have any noun after it. So it's we don't say it's a good man. That would be different. We say the man is good. So we start from the simple things. We have no changes here, no endings, no conjugation, no declination of these parts. Okay. And the structure, this is the last thing for today. The structure is always with those simple sentences, subject of the sentence, then the verb in the second position, and then the rest. So this is a general rule. The verb is always in the second position in a normal affirmative sentence. Okay, good. Any questions from your side?
Uh, no, not really. What? Yeah. What's the difference between beer and ear?
Okay, yeah, I expected that question. Actually, in English, it would be we, of course, we. Then the plural you all, if you are talking about or to a group of people. Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
they are.
This is just not only one person, it's a group of people you
So
are
it's more
talking
like
to.
they are.
UL. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And C is double here because it can mean they, or we also use C in formal speech. Like in English, you would put a capital letter to you. Huh? Okay. This is very formal. Yeah. If there are no other questions, we are
No,
through.
not really.
Okay, then we are through for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And,
much.
and see you on Sunday for our
Yes.
practice. Okay, have a good
Okay.
time. Bye.
Bye.